G'day everyone, welcome to Pay It Forward. Today I'm here to announce the drop of a brand new pattern in my Shopify store, and it is a beautiful little cottage style mouse. So let's take a closer look. So here is our beautiful new little mouse, and she doesn't have a name yet. I have to come up with a name. You can drop a name in the comments, give me some ideas. She is a beginner / intermediate level pattern. Now I have restrained myself in keeping her very, very simple, and I think that's what this design definitely needs. Now I've made her up entirely in felt. Another fabric you can use for this one is Mini Bear Plush. She would make up beautifully in Mini Bear Plush. Her construction is really simple. She has beautiful little curved baby legs. For lovely posing, she makes the best little collectible. I've also added to the pattern her gorgeous little cheese charm, little block of Swiss cheese there that just sits over her arm, and of course, very simple to make, but absolutely delicious little pajamas, little pants, and a top. So we're stitching the nose. We can add some whiskers there. I've got a few little whiskers there. Very simple eye set, and those ears are set in to give you a perfect ear set there. We've got, give her a spin around, beautiful little jacket. She's got a sweet little tail. Again, really simple techniques here to make that little tail. Nothing tricky at all. This is actually one that you can start off with. If you haven't made any of my patterns, this is a great one to begin with, and I'm being very thorough in my video tutorial, so you'll be able to follow along. Imagine all of the colours. Now of course she doesn't have to be a natural colour. You could make up her in pinks and purples. If you want to make it up as a little boy, I give you all the instructions during the video of how to just change up those pajamas so they're just straightforward little jammies. Imagine making a little boy and girl together. I know some of you are going to do that. And all of my very clever masterclass people, I'm sure you're going to upgrade her, and you know the drill, you know what to do there. She would look beautiful with a little sculpted nose, and a bit of shading would be lovely, but I'm sure you're going to do amazing things. So come and check her out. So thank you all for joining me. This little project for me designing for all of you was an absolute joy from start to finish. There were no downsides with this, and she really brightened up my week. I hope she does that for you. And of course she's wearing my favourite colourways, which are those clean pastel brights. I wonder what you're going to do with her. I'm looking forward to seeing. Please come and join our Facebook page. I will put the link down below, and then you can share your beautiful finished mouse creation with us all, and we definitely want to see it. You'll get lots of encouragement there. And I will also put the link directly to her pattern in my Shopify store. So thank you all for coming and taking a look. Make sure that you pay all those good things forward, and until next time, it is hooroo from me.